Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, then welcome. And if you're not new, hey Faith Gang, I'm glad you all came back to watch my video. You guys, so by the title you guys see in today's video, I'm going to be doing an exciting video. Today I'm going to be doing my part 2 of my entrepreneur life series, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a small inventory haul, as well as showing you guys some of my new charms that I bought recently. And I also wanted to just show you guys all of my inventory that I have for my small business. And I actually launched my business last year, but I didn't really take it seriously until June 25th, 2020. That was the day that I actually launched my business, and that was when I actually set up my website. So with that being said, I'm going to stop talking now and let's get into the video. But before we do get into this video, I want you guys to give this video a huge thumbs up, and I want you guys to follow me on my business Instagram, which is Beauty Unleashed Collection. I'm going to have my Instagram name on the screen so you guys can follow me, as well as in my description box. And also follow me on my main page, which is faith_natural_, and I'm also going to have that name on the screen as well as in my description box down below. So with that being said, I'm going to stop rambling and let's get into the video. But I'm going to start out with my inventory bag, and the first thing that I'm going to show you guys in here is my bangles. And if you guys see me looking like away from the camera, it's because I'm looking at the mirror, making sure that I look okay. First thing I'm going to show you guys are my gold bangles. These are just like my gold regular bangles. Let me show you guys. Alright, so these are what my gold regular bangles look like. And I just recently ordered these. I didn't know that they were this sparkly like this, but these are what my sparkly gold bangles look like. And I do like the sparkly gold bangles because it's something different that I don't always see. And in this nice gold bag, I have all of my like split rings. I have my gold split rings. And I have just another pack. This one I actually started using already, but I kept it on the packaging just so that I wouldn't lose it. And then I have just some bigger ones just in case these small ones don't fit certain charms. I have these bigger ones that I already started using. And the next item in here that I'm going to show you guys is my silver bangles. And I love the quality of these. They're nice and sturdy. And then in here I have just some other silver bangles that I recently bought that I'm actually almost out of, as you guys can see. I only have like 6 more left of these. I really like these bangles though. They look different than the ones that I showed you guys before. Yeah, so I have 6 of these, and I keep my bangles in a separate bag just so that they can stay organized. And in here I have all different sizes of my silver split rings. These are my more smaller split rings. So yeah, I keep these separately. I have these that I already started using. And these are the same size that I showed you all. And then in this smaller bag, I have my really small ones that I don't really use that often because. And then I have my bigger split rings. I like these better than the jump rings, mainly because these, at least, they won't come loose as fast. And here are my organza bags. I love these gold ones. I use these to put my bangles inside once I'm getting ready to package an order off. And I have a pink pack of organza bags that I haven't opened yet. And I bought these just for when I run out of the gold ones, just so that I can always be in stock. And I also have a white pack of organza bags that I got from Amazon. And these organza bags are 4x6, so they fit perfectly into the poly mailers that I have. And this is what the white one looks like. I really thought it would be cute to have some plain organza bags like these white ones, and then some cute ones like my pink and gold ones. And the next thing I'm going to show you guys are my gold poly mailers. I love these gold poly mailers because they just looks so sophisticated and cute, and not to mention that gold is also my favorite color. And these poly mailers are a 5x8. I got the poly mailers bigger than my organza bags just so that my business cards, my invoices, and my bangles can all fit in here. And this is what it looks like inside. It gives a good amount of space for your items. And these poly mailers I just recently bought not too long ago because as you see they're not open yet. And this is in a pack of 50 and these are 4x8. And of course I got these from Amazon. And these are actually smaller than my gold ones, so I'm hoping I don't have any issues fitting all of my items in here. But the next thing I'm going to show you guys is my kitchen scale, which I actually just bought recently. This is what it looks like. And having this kitchen scale is honestly really convenient, especially when you want to ship items out and you don't want to always have to stand in line for the post office. And I keep my business cards in here, and I keep my thank you cards in here. I actually have pre-cut white paper that I got from All Things Nay. Shout out to you, girl. I love your idea of folding your white cards just so that your thank you cards can look nice and professional. And y'all, my friend from church made these business cards for me. I'm gonna have her name for her business in my description box down below. But she made my business cards so cute. This is what the back of the business card looks like. And this is what my thank you cards look like. I basically just like fold them in half and then I write my thank you card on it. And I have a planner that I bought recently just for my business, just so I can keep everything organized. I really like the front of this planner. And I like how big the days are. You can fit a lot in here. And you can put what you're grateful for on the side. And the next thing that I'm going to show you guys is my Dymo printer. A lot of you guys might already know about this. And this is the size of what mine looks like. I was going to do an unboxing, but I wanted to just start using this so that I can package off some of my orders. I have the label writer for $50. And I also got this Dymo printer from Amazon, and you can always get it from Office Depot or probably like Best Buy. So this is a really good investment. And the last things I'm going to show you guys are my charms and my pre-made bangles that I have. And I really like this because it has two compartments, one at the top. And then it has another area when you open this part of it. I have like 4 drawers inside and I keep all my charms in here. So right here I actually have a new inventory that I bought recently. I have hairpins, which are now available for purchasing. I have gold and silver. I have queen in silver. I have queen in gold. I have boss in gold. I have boss in silver. I have Gemini in silver and gold. I have Glam in silver. And I have Boss in silver. And I have Boss in gold. And I have Gemini in silver. In here I have my new bangles that I already have pre-made. I haven't actually added these to the site yet, mainly because I want to sell the ones that I have on my site right now. But this is really cute. I actually bought some like charm stoppers just so that all my charms won't be moving around. But this one says, have faith and faith over fear. I have 2 quotes on one bangle. I have faith with a heart. And I have blessed beyond measure with a heart. And I really like this heart, especially because of the 2 hearts that's crossing each other. I have my single charm bangles. I have 2 faith over fear bangles. And these single charms I only have in silver. I have 1 have faith. And I have 2 blessed beyond measure single bangles ready for purchase. that are currently on my website, and I'm going to show you guys what my website actually looks like. And once you click the link that's in my description box, it will take you directly to my website. This is what it looks like. And my first time shoppers get 10% off. I don't have a lot of people use my discount code, but if you are a first time shopper, you'll be able to get 10% off with using the code BeautyUnleashed10. So yeah, my hairpins are on the website. My 2 limited time bangles are on my website. And then the 2 bangles that I just showed you guys are also on the website. So make sure you guys check out my website, y'all. The link is in my description box like I just said. And my first bangle that I have that is currently available for purchase is my pineapples with a twist bangle. And y'all, I thought this is really cute because it has the 2 pineapples. Then it has the 1 pearl in the middle. And like I said, this is currently available for purchase. And then I have my sweet like pineapples bangle, which is also limited time. And it's currently available on my website for purchase. Alright you guys, so now I'm going to show you guys some of my new charms that I bought. And I thought these charms were really cute too. The first set of new charms that I bought are just some chocolate bars that have like a piece bit out of it. And I thought these were really cute, especially since they're pink. And these charms say milk. I'm just now noticing that. But yeah, it says milk, so that's really cute. And so I have like 5 of these, I want to say. So these charms will be limited time. I most likely won't be rebuying these after I sell out of them. And y'all, a lot of you guys might not know, but I am an inspiring pre-nursing student. I'm currently in college. I go to Oakland University. And I have some scrubs in different colors. I really thought this is cute, especially since I want to go into nursing. I'm going to definitely save me like 1 or 2 of these just so that I can keep it for myself. But I have a blue scrub. I have green. I have pink, hot pink. I have black. I have light pink. I have yellow. Red, white, and like turquoise or baby blue. And then I have light purple. So yeah, I thought these were really cute. Alright y'all, so I'm going to show you guys my first tray of bangles. Some of these are my designer charms along with my just regular charms. And I actually have some of these already pre-set to go for when I actually make the bangle itself. But this is my first charm. It's almost like a flower, I want to say. And my next charm that I have are just these like, they almost look like eyelashes. And then I have some designer Chanel charms. I have a gold purse. I have a charm that says Daddy's Girl. I have some crowns. And y'all, I was a pageant queen, so I love these crown charms. I might actually buy some more of these. And I have a Chanel charm. This is really cute. I have this like record player. And I actually bought the charms that I'm currently showing you guys from Pretty Girl Bangles. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys know her. She has really bomb bangles and lip gloss and a lot of other things. But I love her business and I love her bangles. I got this palm tree. I really think this is cute. I have a green Chanel charm. And I have this like white feather. I thought this was really cute. I have some red lips. And I have some red sunglasses. And I thought this charm is really unique. It's almost like a ladybug almost, but it has like gold on the wings, so that's really cute. I have a lollipop. And I have a donut. And I have my pineapple charms that I ordered a while ago. I have a yellow Chanel charm. And I have another one of those like eyelashes, but with hot pink in the center of it. And this charm I thought was really cute. It's almost like a bikini. This is really cute for the summer. And I have some pearls. Y'all, I love pearls, so I really like these charms. And I have flowers. I have this really huge purse. If I can get it out. Yeah. So I have this really huge purse. I might just have this as an individual charm because this purse is so big. And I have this ball with stars in it. And I have a pink cat, which is really cute. I don't really know how I feel about this one, but this is like an eye and it has eyelashes on it. Yeah, I think this one is interesting. I have a charm that says made with love. I actually got this after ordering a pack of charms. They gave me this nice charm that says made with love. And then I have another heart charm that has two hearts like crossing each other. And my next row of charms are majority all the charms that I bought. And if you guys don't know, I honestly wanted to have some faith-based charm bracelets, and I wanted to have some regular charms. So a lot of the charms that you saw before that were pre-made were most of the last of my faith-based bangles, and these are the charms that I bought a little bit after I started selling my faith-based bangles. But this is a charm that I got from Taylor. It says love. This one is really cute. And I got a feather or like a leaf, but it's like in a rustic gold color. So I thought that was like really cute, and it's really cute for the fall too. These are actually some of my newest charms that I bought. It says fearfully and wonderfully made, Psalms 139:14. This is going in my faith-based jewelry collection. Hope you guys can see it. But y'all, I love this saying, fearfully and wonderfully made. So I'm going to have a lot of bangles with this scripture on it. And I have some gold crosses. I'm going to be honest, y'all, these are way smaller than I thought they were going to be when I ordered them. So you definitely want to make sure that you see the measurement of your charm before you buy it. And these are roses, gold roses. I love how cute and dainty and elegant these look. These are so cute to me. I have a lot of those. And I have a lot of these butterfly charms. This is what it looks like up close. I have different size gold hearts. Like this heart is a little smaller. And then I have this bigger gold heart charm. Alright you guys, so my last charms I'm going to show you guys are these really cute pink and gold flowers. And when I saw these, I thought these were really cute and different, so I had to get them. But that's all I have for today's video. I just wanted to show you guys my inventory for my small business that I have. But I'm believing that my business won't always be a small one. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed yet and you made it to the end of this video, then don't forget to click that subscribe button so you can join the faith game. And don't forget to hit that post notification that's right next to the subscription button so you can get alerted every time I post another video. And also don't forget to follow me on my business Instagram. I'm going to have my Instagram on the screen as well as in my description box down below. And also don't forget to follow me on my main Instagram page. I'm going to have my name on the screen as well as in my description box down below. And also don't forget to visit our website and shop with us so you can become a Beauty Unleashed babe. And once I do sell out of all the bangles that I have on my website, then I'm going to restock on my website, and I'm also going to include some more pictures of new bangles on my Instagram. And with that being said, if you do want to see more entrepreneur life videos, then comment that down below and I'll definitely do that for you guys. And with that being said, I'm going to stop talking now and I'll see you guys in my next video.